Hey everybody, how you doing? This is your friendly buddy and pal, Paul Rogers. I am also a independent beach body coach, and I am a coach that also has lost 100 pounds. Kind of hard to do when you're a cook for a living and you work in a professional kitchen. So, usually what I do, I would make something and I'll take a picture of it and then I'll post a picture of it. But this time I'm going to switch it up a little bit and talk about what I actually made. Today I made a tomato bisque. And that usually consists of your tomato product, mirepoix, which is celery, onions, and carrots, stock, vegetable stock, or chicken stock, I would suggest for this, and a heavy cream and a thickener. Now, because we serve different types of clients with different types of needs, we try to make something that everybody can enjoy. So we have a lot of people who are gluten-free, we have a lot of people who are vegetarians, we have a lot of people who are vegan. We try to incorporate as much of that as possible. Seeing that this is bisque and it has cream in it, this is not vegan. But I did choose to make it vegetarian. So, instead of a roux, or in this case a beurre meunier, which is a raw roux, and you don't cook the roux, I would use something like a rice or a risotto or a brown rice, or even a steamed potato, and blend it into the soup to thicken it. Today I use something else. I use gluten-free bread. That is also acceptable. You can use bread to thicken up a bisque, or in this case, because I want to make it gluten-free, I use gluten-free bread. So what I have here is the actual bisque, and you will actually see me pour it out and give it a little tasty. And it's good. It has the texture, it has the flavor, it has that umami that comes from having all the flavors mixed together and blend together very well. And at the end, I added just a little bit of balsamic vinegar to give it that umami flavor. So this is good to go. I'm getting ready to put it, wipe it off, the little mess I just made right there. I'm getting ready to put it in a steamer, and they're going to take it as soon as possible. Have a good one. Peace out.